everybody, and welcome back to the dumbest forward operating base in Desert Storm on YouTube. Pit Stay and Hobbies. Oh, geez, I gotta get rid of this. Sorry, this is my roommate for the Apache. Is my hyper unicorn rare Mi-24D Hind from Russia. There we go. And oh, my space heater just ran out of propane. Oh man. Okay. We're back on the amazing Agora models AH-64D Apache Longbow. This thing is so friggin' cool. We got some of our previous stages here because we've got Pack 6. Link below to Agora models if you want Pack 6, if you want Packs 1 through 12. Yeah, this thing's going to be cool as all get out. I don't know, better terms than that. We've got, I think, stages 40 through 47 in here. We got our little warning paper. Goodbye. Here we go. We got some. We got a bunch of wings and more rockets, and we got some sidewinders and some other stuff, and some landing gear and some more of the tail. It's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna see some things happen here. I'm using Todd's website at myapache-longbow.com, but myportworks.com, my buddy Todd, he does the best photographic write-ups of how to build this thing. So here's 40. Let's get that out of the box. Put that off to the side. Rip off the paper. Here we go. So we're going to be, like I said, from the beginning, custom painting this as a JG SDF Apache. So we're not really decaling or painting anything yet. So if there's any water slides that need to go on, they're going to go on at the very, very end when I'm done painting this thing with the Japanese camo. We've got some what are these? Yeah, they're metal slugs. Yeah, like the video game. Yeah, they're not magnets. They're just metal slugs. A couple of our pylons for our rocket pods. Some screws. And a wing. Let's get started. Let's see here. Get these pylons out. There we go. Okay, so we've got those two big holes in each pylon. What we're going to do is we're going to take these little metal slugs, take them out of there, and we're going to crazy glue them into these holes to mount the magnetic munitions, because those Hydro rocket pods have magnets. Now there is, if you look all the way inside of there, there's a number 1 and the number 2. Mental note, keep a note. So we're just going to drop those in with a little crazy glue, and I'm going to get those glued down, and I'll be right back. Alrighty. Well, now what we're going to do is get a little bit of Crazy Ex-Girlfriend glue. There you go. There you go, sweetie. I'm going to squeeze this thing onto the bottom. Now you want to make sure your wire is fully in the channel for that wingtip light. Okay. Now Todd removed his from the central section, but I can see why he did that, but at the same time I think it might be a little overboard for everybody. But you know, do that if you want. I'm gonna now clamp these down. We want to make sure we get these good and snug. And there we go. So we got a little DeWalt clamps on there. We're gonna let that gel out for, you know, a few minutes and dry, and then we will be back. Okay, well, that's glued on there. Now we're gonna get KP screws in here and here, to firmly make sure we affix this wing bottom. There we go. And wait a second. Where does that one go? Yeah. Oh, does it go here? I guess it goes... Yes, it does. And it goes right here. KP, right? Yes, KP. So there we go. Okay. So we got those in. Very good. And we're not doing anything with the little Hydra rockets. So that's it. We're going to go up to stage 41. So we got here. Oh, there we are. Okay, fantastic. This Apache's going together really well so far, I gotta say. Well engineered. I wonder if it's the same factory that made the Zero that's doing this. I'm not sure. Probably. Well, you know. I'll ask the Todd father. So we got some Stinger missiles and their little mount, and we've got some stands for some other little missiles. Yeah. And what do we got here? So let's see. So we got our little Stinger missiles here in the baggie. We're just going to leave them in the baggie. I'm just taking out the green lens for the wing. We'll leave those in the baggie. We are custom painting this model. So, you know what? I'll put the little missile stands in with the Stingers, because that's what they're for. Okay. All right, so we're going to put together... Now, I'm not going to really glue a lot of this stuff together, because I'm going to custom paint this thing. So we're going to put a little super glue on these 3 pegs, put them into here, and then clamp them together. Let's do that right here. Come on. A little bit of glue, little dab. Little dab will do you. There we are. Nah, no clamps needed. Just snap them together. Perfectly good. And then, so Todd painted his Stinger missile launchers, and I will do the same. I will paint them, but for now we're just gonna snap them into place. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these. It depends. Whatever the loadout of the JG SDF Apaches are, that's what this will get. Oh man, these are really a tight press fit. Oh yeah. Okay. Man, that's serious. There we are. And man. Oh, wow. Oh, my poor little weak girly thumbs. Oh. Okay. I heard a click. Oh, my Lord. Okay. There we go. Yeah, no glue really needed there. These things are snug. So there's our little wingtip Stinger launchers for air-to-air protection. And then we're going to take our little light lens. There's a little taper to it, a little raised area at the front. We're going to get that into the wing. Get that pushed in, nice and flush. Now these are not going to be red and green on either side. These are just both green because they're like, I guess, sort of formation lights. Yeah, formation lights. So we're going to put a tiny dab of CA glue on those two studs. We're going to let that dry so we don't close it up and it fogs, because that would be horrible. And once it's dry, we're going to sandwich her together and start screwing down things. Be right back. Okay, well, that's glued in there now. And we are going to snap her down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes there, and we got 6 pegs here. And we're going to get a little bit of cray glue on here. There we are. Very nice. Oh, God forbid we could put together the Mi-24 Hind in the same fashion. Okay, so we're going to snap it down, but then we are going to clamp the living bejesus out of this thing. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. How many clamps? How many clamps did Todd use? He used 3. I'll beat you. I'll use 4 clamps. Let me get another clamp. We've got plenty of these lovely little DeWalt clamps. I think I have a link on my Amazon store. I'm not sure. But let me clampy. And kind of a pattern we're going to repeat here for a couple stages is clampy, weighty. So there we go. The tail is here looking amazing. Oh my God, this thing is so cool. Oh my, I love this. I'm a big Apache fan. All we need is for Agora to come out with an A10 Warthog. Dear God, Agora, please come out with a Warthog. Or Airwolf. We won't get mad at you for Airwolf. Nobody would say anything mean. We want Airwolf. And we want a Warthog. We need Bert. Yes, exactly. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Well, there we go. Now let's get these clamps off. Oh, hello, propeller. Tail rotor, sorry. There we go. So to clamp it, you clamp it down so you get a nice tight seam everywhere. And oh, look at that. Oh, you son of a bastard. All right, hold on. A little more clamping required. But hold on. Let me there we go. Yeah, we'll get it. Oh, hello. There we go. A little more. Oh God, be careful. Don't let this fall out. You will not have a good day. I'll let that dry a little longer. But then we're going to do the other wing exactly the same. So 42 and 43 are the mirror image of this wing. So I'm going to knock those out, and I will be right back. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 men in the tub. What the hell does that even mean? Google it. You might be interested to find out, because I just heard from the wife, and she was kind of shocked. No, that's okay. That's fine. It's okay. I think we're gonna work with that. So there we go. We got our wings. Oh, hello, wingies. Our wings are on there, and what we're gonna do is put our pylons on, because why the hell not? Kind of like what Todd said. So number 1 only fits on the outside station, and number 2 fits on the inside station. And we're going to use a bunch of CP screws. So I got 2 bags of CP screws. So I'm going to put those 4 screws in. I'm going to get those on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so a little preview of what you will have is if you squeeze on these stingers, and we make sure these are fully installed. There we go. We're gonna put some, oh, the magnets are so cool. They're not super duper strong, but man, those look awesome. Okay, very nice. I'm kinda not loving the magnets. They're fine. Yeah, it's gonna be sitting on its landing gear. So there we go. We got stingers. We got Hydra rocket pods. That looks great. But what I'm gonna do is probably 2 Hydras, or I guess Hydras on the outside, and then we'll have 2 Hellfire quad pods on the inner pylons. I think so, yes. That looks pretty badass, gotta say. It's pretty awesome. So we got our stingers. Those are great. Hydras, fantastic. And let's see. We've got a wing, more wing, more wing, more wing. Let's get out of the wing area. Let's get on to the tail boom, maybe, or something else. 43. Let's get over to 44. There we go. Okay. 47. There's 44. Got some landing gear. Oh, baby. That's exciting. This is going to be amazing. Yeah, that Rubber Dub 3 Men in the Tub thing. That really, I forgot about that nursery school story. Oh, this is kind of heavy. These parts are a little heavy. And we've got, okay, a whole bunch of stuff. We've got a rubber tire, got a big plate, and main landing gear strut. That's very nice. We got a spring, a few punch pins and push pins and whatnot. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay, so we've got to take this assembly. That's, oh, hello. Is that not going in? Oh no. Okay. Hold on. I think we need this. Do we need this? Nope. Do we need this? Let's see here. What do we got going on here? I'm so confused. No. Ski cylinder. No. Let's see. Oh, they're in here. Oh my God. Okay. So we got these. Here we go. Take these 2 little bits, and we're gonna push this into here. Oh. Just like that. There we go. That's it for that. Then we're going to take the metal pins and the spring. We're going to take this metal spring. We're going to put all these pins down. And we're going to put this metal spring into here. Then we're going to take this fella and put it into there. Oh my gosh. Okay. And we are going to push down 44R. Let's see which one that is. 44R is the second. This is this pin with the knurls on it. So what we're going to do is push it down. There we go. We've got it in there. And where are our duckbill pliers? Push that in. Ah, there we go. So we've pushed that in with the duckbill pliers, and oh my god, the camera's shaking so much. Yeah, let me do it over here. Shake less. Yeah, that's got a lot of spring tension. A lot. Like a hell of a lot. So that's fine. Okay. And then we're going to take our main landing gear strut. We're going to put this in here. And then we're going to punch a little 44S steel pin into there. So let me see which pin is 44S. I think it's probably the small knurled pin, yes. So it's this one right here. Oh, throat clearing is strong with this one. Okay. So we are going to push this little fella through here like that. Again, we're going to take our duckbill pliers and oh well, good thing I'm painting this because I just scraped it up good. But yeah, there we go. Pardon me. I'm going to flip this over. Get out some more of these parts. And this little V-shaped piece of plastic is going to glue into these two holes here. Okay, so a little crazy glue. I'm going to get that right in there. 1 second, please. Okie dokie. So we're going to, oh, here we go. So we got to take this tiny little pipe, itty bitty little pipe, and we're going to shove it into that hole. And we're going to put the little peg right onto that triangle and crazy glue them down. And I'm going to put some glue on, and I'll be right back. Alrighty. So there we go. Our little little tube thingy is glued on there. Now we're going to take our brake rotor assembly and we're going to squeeze her together. There we go. And what do we got? We got another little ring to put on here. A little brake caliper. Oh, isn't that adorable? Let's see. So there we go. Ah, yes. There we are. Squeezy, squeezy. Lemon peasy. No glue needed. Nope, none at all. And now the tire. Oh, this thing's, yeah, that's gonna be, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay, I'm gonna soak this in warm water for a while, and we will be right back. Okay, well, our tire is on. It looks great. It's very nice. It was a pain in the ass to get that on there. Now what we're gonna do is put it on the axle, like so, and get this little fella in here. So this is 44Q. So let's just put that in the little hole. Oh my God. Okay. Come on. There we go. Nope. It's, there we go. So I'm going to do that, and, nope, that's not going to work. We need big dog. We need the happiest pliers on the internet. Well, right about there, I think. And we're going to squeeze that down into the wheel. There we go. Okay, so it just barely turns. That's good. She's pressed down nice. And there we have it. Oh my God, look at that thing. It's pretty insane. It's very impressive. So now what we have is we have this and the ski and a few little metal pins and this and let's just see what we got to do here. That is cool. That landing gear is very nice. There's the third metal pin. Oh, lordy. 45 metal tail boom. Oh boy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna catch up on pack 45. And good thing garbage day is tomorrow, because yeah, I'm running out of garbage can space pretty quickly. So here is the other side of the tail boom. And oh, that's empty. We've got some screws. Okay. DM and CM. Oh, ooh, baby. Look at that. That's metal. That's delicate. We're going to we're gonna totally break it. So the reason the paint is missing here is because I crazy glued. Yeah, I crazy glued my fiber optic between here, but we need it in front of these two pegs. What we're gonna do is put a little cray-cray glue in there. Yeah, okay. We've tested all these with our Mike Lane mods. Our Mike Lane mods test board, which works great. Kinda thinking, here we go. So we've wrapped these in electrical tape. We've taped those down. Oh man. Oh. What are we doing? Yeah, okay. So we're gonna go on to pack 46, and that's right here. And here, oh Lord. Hold on, wait, I didn't turn on all my props. Hold on, one more. There we go. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Okay. All the props are on. Let's see here. We've got yeah. So we've glued that in. We've got this here, and we're gonna go on to pack 46. And oh man, oh God, that hurt. Very careful, very careful. And my oh, hold on. Almost fell on the floor. Chair rolling out from under me. 46. Look at that. There we go. Yeah, well, you know. You come here for the entertainment, I suppose. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I have as many subscribers as I do, but oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna pull the tail boom out. More missiles. Oh, more Hydra rockets. I'll just put you over there. And we've got this little bit. I think that's it. Okay. So what we did was I unfortunately crazy glued my fiber optic in the wrong area. So I had to use some debonder. This stuff is basically paint stripper. Bob Smith Industry. Basic BSI. Basically incinerating. It's bad. But you want your fiber optic to be in front of these 2 pins here. You want to wrap these, tape these down, get them out of the way of the studs, under the studs, and do that. And, well, we're going to take this out of the way. We're going to take this fella. And right there, that's what we want. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna put this down on here. Oh my God. Yes. Oh boy. And then 7 DP screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 DP screws. So let me see that. DM, CP, D. I think they're CM screws. Let me see. DP, DM. That's the Lotus. I'm gonna figure these screws out. 1 second, be right back. Okay, so that's that's all secured down. And now we've got this, we've got this, we've got this. I think we need a little bit of electrical tape. Just a little bit. I'm gonna cut it right there. Okay. And we're gonna put it right there. So a little bit right there. Oh my gosh, what did that not accomplish? Okay, so there we go. We're gonna take left side of this wing, the tail boom, squeeze that together. Okay. Let's there we go. And there we go. Okay. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes here. And then we are going to through the CM screws. 3 CMs right here. 1, 2, 3. And I'll be right back. Oh my. So much magnets. CMs. Oh my God. There we go. Okay. We're just gonna take out our there's a CM and KP, KP, DP, GP, CP. I've got a kind of man, I really need to I'll be right back. Okay. That's bolted on there. Very nice. And these are just going to kind of sit around for a little while. And I've also done, oh my God, stage 47. Or did I do, where's 47? It's the same as this. So yeah, she's all done. Oh man, this thing's getting very cool. I am very excited. Oh, there it is. There's 47. The only difference is we have a rubber dust boot. That's it. Same thing. So, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Click the links below. Adios, everybody.